Hello viewers, here is a Honeywell turbo fan. This is the older model. It is number HT-803 and the bearings are a little noisy. It's worse when it's tilted back. And it's pretty bad when it's just level as well. So what I'm going to do is I have some extra bushings here. We have this one which is very thin, and I have this other one which is a little bit thicker. And I'm going to see if putting in any combination of these makes the fan run any better. Okay, so here, oh dear, here's where we're going to put the washer. Now this motor is very hot, and I only had it on for like, I would say less than a minute. So perhaps excessive heat is one of the reasons why these motors tend to have issues. It's not much of a difference, but sometimes a little bit makes a big difference. So let's see what happens. Alright, let's turn it on and see what we hear. Actually, I think that solved it. I gotta let it run for a little while before I say for certain that it's good, but looks like that fixed it. Had it going for a little while. The noise is coming back, but it's still, I think it's better than it was. It's still relatively quiet, so it's not 100% fixed, but it's better.